In this video, we want to find the probability that the z-score is less than negative 0.35 and greater than a positive 2.03. So to be less than negative 0.35, that's going to be to the left of 0. And I'll go ahead and shade the area to the left of that because we want to be less than that value. But we also want to be greater than 2.03. So 2.03 is going to be to the right of 0 because that's positive. And since we are greater than that, we are shading to the right of it. So the total area that we want is the sum of the red area and the blue area. So I've made two tables, one for the z-value of negative 0.35, and we're going to go to our statistics table and find its left area. And we also have a z-value of 2.03, and we're going to go to the statistics table and find its left area. Even though we want its right area, once we have its left area, we can just subtract that value from 1. So first, going to the statistics table and looking for the left area of negative 0.35. So when looking for the left area of negative 0.35, make sure that you are on the page with the negative z-values, the z-values that fall to the left of 0. And I'm going to scroll down until I get to negative 0.3, and I see that right there. I'm going to highlight this entire row, and we want a 5 as in the hundreds position. So I'm looking at the 0.05 column, and I'm going to go down until I hit that yellow row to see that the left area for negative 0.35 is 0.3632. So I will now add that to my table. We just saw that it was 0.3632. And then we'll go back to the table to look for the left area of 2.03. Now making sure that we are on the page with the positive z-values, we're looking for 2.03. I will highlight the 2.0 row, and then I will look for the 0.03 column, which is right there, and I will go straight down this column until I hit the row that we highlighted to see that the left area that corresponds to 2.03 is 0.9788. So now I will add that to this table. We just saw that this left area was 0.9788. But this is not the area that we want because as we can see, we want the right area of 2.03. So as an illustration, here's 2.03. And what the table just gave us was its left area of 0.9788. But we want its right area. And so to get its right area, we will do 1 minus the left area of 0.9788. That will give us the area that is to the right of 2.03. Anytime you want the area to the right, you will have to do 1 minus the left area. And the left area comes from the table. So this subtraction gives us the right area of 0.0212. And so now that we know this blue area and this red area, we can add them together. The red area was 0.3632. And the blue area we just found is 0.0212. Which gives us the total area of 0.3844.